I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Someone just told me what happened. That a young lady came here to insult you. For what now? Why? Because I'm sorry.
I have never seen anything like this.
I know.
I have never seen at all. The worst case is that I don't know who she is. She just barged into my compound and started insulting me, causing trouble, calling me all sorts of names.
Hi. Saying
that I used to hold her boyfriend, making him to sleep with my granddaughter who is mad. How can that be? And people gathered here, keep listening to her, tarnishing my image, bringing shame on me. She should have allowed me to live my life as I see it. Why adding salt to injury?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. I promise I am going to handle this. I will ensure it does not happen again. The girl in question is my girl. The girl in question is my girl. Mama, I don't understand what gave her the right to run in here to come and insult you. Go walk on Gegene.
I have been on my own suffering, trying to hide my shame. I don't know why this girl just did all this to me. I have never known any DBS house or any charm. Charm na check or na check again. I don't know. Don't know what charm looks like. Don't know what it is. How can she insult with no problem?
Mama, Biko.
So what did I?
Biko, please, I'm begging you. Let's just focus on your granddaughter. Your primary focus should be on Kaima getting better. India. Biko, let them not bother you. I am going to handle it my own way. Because I'm really, really sorry. Hey, Kaima is crying. Kaima, why are you crying now? Why is she crying?
She's not happy. No matter her condition, she doesn't like to see people hurting me. She doesn't like to see tears on my face. That's just it.
Hi. Kaima, stop crying. I'm sorry about that person that came to insult you and Mama. I'm sorry. But I'm promising you one thing today. It will not happen again, and I am going to deal with that person. Biko.
No. Don't deal with her. Don't deal with her. You use my machete, cut off her head and bring it. So I'll give it to my father in the sky. Look at my father. Look.
Is that the only thing you want me to do?
I will give you akamu and dukwa, so you will give it to her.
Okay, no problem. And Mama, I don't know, do you people have what to eat in this house?
This is the reason she said I'm holding you with jam. If you go here, you are so good. You are so wonderful. In fact, you are a godsend to me.
Thank you.
Yes, I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to appreciate you. But my God in heaven will keep rewarding you.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much, Mom.
Amen.
You are so kind-hearted.
Amen.
Asking for the welfare of my granddaughter and I. Mom, to tell you the truth, I have gone through situations. I lost my 2 sons and my son-in-law, the father of Kaima, who could have been a pillar to me if he had been alive. Today is no. I keep asking myself, does it mean that my destiny is worse than others? And there's nothing like madness in my lineage. Allah did not Hi.
Mama, it's okay.
I don't know.
It's okay.
It's no problem. I believe in God for His mercy.
Come on, sit down. Sit. Sit down. Mama, I want you to know that life is like a song. Sometimes it plays good tunes and sometimes it plays bad tunes. But I'm not addicted. It will be well very soon. Let me go. I'll be back soon. Kaima. I want to go now, but I'll come back. I'll come and see you. When I'm coming, I'll bring something for you. What do you want?
I will give you akamu.
You will give me. Okay. Mama.
He said he's free.
Mama, Ngwana, I will tell my younger sister to bring food stuff. Because I'll send her. Thank you. Mama. Amen. Biko, I beg you again. Don't take don't take it to heart. Biko, Walo.
It's okay.
Thank you, Mama.
For your sake.
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
And he hurriedly left to fight Ifeoma, who has been fighting seriously for you and her brother to be together. Yes, you are the person that told me about it. Kiruka, Kamchukenegi, has that girl offended you before? Has she insulted you before? No. As an adult who has been to school, am I still supposed to tell you what is good or bad? Kiruka Zaria, am I still supposed to tell you what is good or bad? When you were throwing yourself all over that Obiora, that so-called Obiora, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. And that is why I said any man doing Aburu work might be good or bad. You couldn't even investigate a bit when you heard that he is seeing the mental girl. And you immediately concluded that he is having something with the girl. Now, you have seen it. Well, if you might have your senses back, I believe it will be okay for you. I have said mine. Now,
Eddie.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Where's your brother?
He just left. Someone came and told him that Kaima is disturbing the grandmother and the grandmother needs him.
I don't understand though. What's going on? When did Obiora turn to my people's doctor? What's happening? We have an urgent appointment with the local government chairman this morning, and the first thing that came to his head is to go and see a mad girl. Guy, are you sure Obiora never run mad before?
Ndobisi, life has taught me that creatures are different. What you may see as a good thing, someone else sees it as a bad thing. Obiora has a good heart. His own is, why should a young lady who is supposed to be a medical doctor be in that condition. And he has been saving for cure. Wanda, don't worry. Let Obiora decide on what to do. I'm out of here.
You can still catch up with him.
Eddie, do you know this mad girl's house?
Yes, I know. Let's go.
Please, let's go.
Come on.
Okay.
Get up and eat them. See your food. Your food. Come and sit down and eat. Eh? I cook your favorite. Finish it though. Eat it or don't spoil my food though. Don't waste it though. Chika Emma. Come.
It's okay.
Hi, Chika Emma. Hey.
Kalma. Come.
Don't spoil it. You're spoiling it. Chikaima. You're spoiling it. Wait.
Obiora.
We are your friends. We run the park together. We make sure we don't cheat each other. We fought Okaka and his group to a standstill. Yet, I think there is a truth you're not telling us.
What truth am I not telling you?
Your girlfriend, Gil, came to my house last night and complained bitterly about a lot of issues. She swore that she would do everything within her power to take away that pack from you. She also confided in me that you're having an affair with this mad Kaima girl, and she said that a powerful charm has been placed on you because of that girl. And I think I'm beginning to believe her.
Well, she told you that and you believed her.
Why won't I believe her? Just take a look at yourself. What kind of rubbish is this? We have an appointment with the local government chairman this morning, and all that came to your mind is to come and see this mad girl? What has come over you, man?
I don't understand. What is this the reason both of you called me out here? Yes, we had an appointment to meet up with the local government chairman, but it just came to mind to stop by and see this innocent girl that is mentally challenged. The young girl saw me, out of excitement, jumped on me because I'm a face that she's used to, and incidentally this happened. Now, how is that her fault, or how is this even my fault? These things happen. Eddie, you're not saying anything.
Obiora, what do you want me to say?
Huh?
Can you talk and back, Obiora? Come on. See, we are late to where we planned. And this young man here cannot follow us to that place.
No.
See, the best thing for us to do now is to go and hold that chairman while he go home and change. In fact, let's end this topic, please. I'm going. I'm off. I'm off.
Hi, Nkiruka. You are the most silent achiever we have in this community. Even in this local government area. Once you say something, that is how it is. The chairman woke me up this morning that we should go and take over the park and the pitch. He equally said that Obiora and his boys have been released of that job.
Dissolved.
Ha! Thank you so much. Imen carry call. Ha! I'm so happy. I appreciate this. So, guys, this is not that. It's not easy.
Are you telling us? Are you
It's
telling us? See, I'm very surprised. What we could not achieve as men, a woman just came aboard within few days. Bam! We got it. Come on! Whatever you have used to wash the chairman's head must be very powerful.
Baby, this
Wait till they talk like this now. Not be me being Nkiruka, the barrack girl.
Na so.
I know say I be woman. And I know say I get the power of a woman. And I sabi use her.
You use her well.
Use her well.
Obiora matter they talk. That was an idiot. He's a fool. He look me finish. Tall, huge, come fresh, join.
Hey!
If he say no want me. Say na that mad girl he wants. Wetin dey happen? Because if you say tomorrow the girl go well again, and because say she dey read medicine, he go marry am as the doctor. I want no work now.
He dey take.
same guy who saw last week. We even heard she's pregnant. That day is him Nanko Dogun. Ha!
She's pregnant.
I was waiting for the perfect time. We never knew Obiora na ebi nwa, ọ na-adụ nwa.
I have been suspecting it.
Obiora na-ata nwa, na-eme philanthropist. Ọ na-ata kwefu ndị aja ahụ na. You see these guys who beard. Forget those people. Ọ na-ata nwa steady. Hey! Fiakwa, I never see. So, baby Butuo, calm down. Let me see where that junkie will get money now for the upkeep of the mother and the baby.
I know it's a mugo.
You guy.
It's a mugo.
Wait. You mean say Obiora don impregnate that girl?
Akpo $1 million on will agwa. There is that kind of thing play.
Obiora, I'm ashamed of you. That dirty girl. Hi. Anyway, that's not my problem. My only concern is those boys following him. Those boys will still they get hope, say Obiora go pick up. Which Obiora? Obiora we don't fall flat. He's going nowhere as far as I'm concerned. Obiora that go pata. But I beg. Like I told you guys earlier. You see that one where they come to BC? Please. Bring him to join you guys because that one too dey loyal. I like his spirit and I don't want hunger to finish him for me. Manifunka na kwedi. That one that feels he's stubborn, he can talk anyhow. I don't want him.
Talk.
Even if he comes to beg you, tell him Nkiruka said, you should not join your group. Biko.
Well, wow, this is go hard. Go hard small because that thing to be seen na come on.
My.
I know I'm busy. And
they dull our spirit.
And I'm ending the mama here. Busy needs reorientation, re-embalmment. Only I'm even alo. Only I'm using junkie kala. Only the
boy na custard na come on. I give it your love. You know get strength.
I lie.
You can't come adults now. But you know you now, NK baby. You know now, we won't begin to argue with you now. Now you get everything now. Because as you do now, no say you go see the president. Or I call more.
We'll give our orientation. That boy name me and the mama.
The most important thing, you know, I know his money play. Eh? You see that 15,000 which him and Semekuna they give me every week. Men I know me sir. Now dear we go take get one time.
You need it cash or transfer?
I want them cash because transfer I feel begin tell me story. So now go count and they give me every week 15,000, 14,955 naira.
Done. Done. That's more money now. You reach the week where you were. So what we go do be say if money come more, we'll give them 50k now.
Imagine.
Every
Friday I enjoy TV.
Baby, you know that today. Okay, I miss something, no. See again, maybe we stand.
Imagine.
Come ship something for back.
Imagine.
Oh no, sir.
We front and back, everything goes straight. Maybe I can't follow my person.
They go back.
Wow. Okay, no one. The chairman they need something better.
So we don't get work like this. No money. I don't do jail.
Very early. And we go talk money for those Okada boys.
Ify. Why you teacher, teach me nonsense. I know by now you have seen my stage play and you have watched it in full. We dey play, they show. Now you know I don't just talk rubbish. Now you know I don't just brag. I say my words and I keep to it. You see that your brother, Agoga and Waipapo, hunger will so deal with him. Unless you will use this peanuts they pay you as salary to feed him. Because he's an ingrate.
You decided to sell your body to every Dick and Harry in this village. Just because you needed a favor. But you're forgetting something, that life does not end there. Well, Obiora is fine.
My brother has gone to the city to put 1 and 2 together. And trust me when I say that he will stand on his feet.
Which city? The same Lagos he ran away from. Just pray they don't kill him and return his corpse to you. Because I know he is owing his business partners huge amount of money. On one leg, okay. Instead of him to listen to my instructions, what stupid
instruction are you talking about?
You are the type that make women seem as if we are not humble. Listen, men need respect. And not you giving out some sort of instructions. If you had wanted my brother to stop seeing Kaima, there are so many ways to go about it. Even though I know that my brother was doing all that out of his own good heart. Aren't you giving him some kind of instructions as if you own him? You don't own Obiora. Well, thank you so much for carrying out your threats. Thank you. Go and carry Women's World Cup. You see that your brother, I will love to see him suffer. I will love to see your brother beg for food. In the park, he was like a king. But now I have reduced him to nothing. He is nothing. Like I said, go and carry the Women's World Cup, Akuna. Not only traveling to Lagos, he will still travel to Omunike. Obiora will go around this world and come back with nothing. Useless people.
If you want them.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. What?
Yeah,
Are you just coming back?
Yes, from school.
Wow.
How have you been? How have you been managing?
All is not normal, Gabezioku. Okaka and Co have taken over. And it's your brother's fault. We planned on how to go and see the local government chairman. Before you know, he diverted to see Chikaima. On getting to the place, Nkiru is already there. And we lost everything.
Eddie, I know about everything. Let's allow God to decide. Listen, I want you to know that
Your destiny is not tied to any man's hands. Even the Bible says that every upliftment comes from the Lord. Nkiru has done what she did out of jealousy. My annoyance is, I know that my brother truly loves that girl. That is why he has been keeping calm all this while. But as the saying goes, everything happens for a reason. So let's just say this is for us to know the kind of wife she would have become.
Oh, Nemo, Ayad. So, where is he now? I've been waiting for him to come back.
Oh, he's not at home.
Okay.
He left for Lagos this morning.
Oh,
yes,
Lagos.
a friend of his called and he had to go.
Wow.
But he will soon be back.
Ah.
Definitely.
Wow.
Hope you guys are not owing the local government any pain.
Nemo, our work ended, so we submitted everything. Yes.
Okay. Come inside now, let me get you something to eat.
Are you serious?
Yes, come.
Please do, I'll go wherever.
Okay, you want to stay here?
Oh yeah, I think this place is okay.
Okay, I'll bring it.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Did they follow you talk? You see, we don't laugh. What? Come for the senior man. Come for you there. Come for you there. Kakababa. Come for you there.
Hey, man, sit down. Who be that? Who be she?
Yes, boss.
I sent them to call you because Nkiru begged us to include you in our team. But I don't want you to be a saboteur. You hear me? About all this sort where you and they are insult us. But we agreed, say they will call you, make you join us. So I don't want any problem. You get? Another thing is, if you must join this team, you must be humble and obedient to Okaka. You must be humble and obedient to Okaka. How many times did I say it now?
2 times, boss.
Good.
Okaka, my senior man, I really appreciate. Thank you very much for this kind gesture. You know this Aboro work is the only thing I do. And that's the only place I get the money to feed myself and my girlfriend that has a child for me. So why won't I be loyal?
Okay.
See, I am personally a very straightforward person. I don't serve 2 masters. I'm not two-faced like a chameleon. Once I'm with you, I'm with you. So I don't want you to doubt my loyalty to you. Since the job has left Obiora, what other business do I have with him? I for also come good morning, Anoromia. No good morning, Nebute, how are you? I don't have any single business with Obiora anymore. So I want you not to doubt my loyalty to your team. Okay? In short, Kwefona Parker at that park, if I use catch Obiora for there, I go mend them. I didn't in the mean, I don't have any single business with Obiora anymore. You can count on me, boss. I promise to be loyal to your team. Always.
Good boy. I see you can be trusted. Okaka, I'm beginning to think. I suggest we leave him in that pit he used to work with Obiora. Since he already knows everything around here. Things gonna go well.
Confirm.
See, come. Let me say you go there, go do some smell.
This one say na man.
I'm not learning work now.
Guy, we don't lap you.
My guy is not confirmed you. The only thing you will do is say, may you remit your money on time.
Don't finish. You know go pass that one.
Don't be working for Kaka. You'll be getting more than 5 pockets.
You hear him?
So nobody joke. No, I don't want stories. I don't want stories. This is what you want to tell us. Say your girlfriend get belle. He come born for you. Now money where they come for our pit, now they take care of the pit.
So story.
But guys, hey, you people will monitor him.
No wahala. See, with the chop bottle yaw.
You do anyhow, you go see anyhow. I ain't the person.
Guys, I know go check pit.
You have never for once visited your big sister in the village. Is it fair? You are the first son of the house and Sister Kaima is the adult of the house. I really don't know what she has done to you.
Bia, do I owe you anything, this girl? What's my business with Kaima? Someone that is mad? She's a woman that can find her way anytime she gets better. That's if she will. Let this be the very last time you raise any issue about Kaima. Anytime I want to visit her, I will go. You will not force me to go and visit her.
Then if you not go give me something to give her, she needs help. She has to eat. She needs clothes and money.
As Mama Kaima. So all the while Daddy was pampering her, giving her fat envelopes to go to school with. Has she finished it? No, Toro, I am asking you, has she finished the money? I thought she was our daddy's best child. I have never seen any human being pampered the way Chikaima was pampered. And maybe because of our daddy's death, that was what resulted to her madness. As Mama Kaima should give you money. What are there? Daddy will call me all sorts of useless names. Monkey, good for nothing, lazy fool, because I had issues with Kaima. Now Daddy's dead, and the almighty Kaima is mad. And it won't let me be, asking me to go and see her. For what? Mom, please. Warn her seriously, because I will beat her up black and red. She has the right to go and see her big sister. She's free.
Ejike, you need to calm down. I've gone to see Kaima from the very first time she was admitted at the hospital. So I have put in my money and my time. I've equally gone to visit her in the village. I saw her with her grandmother. I gave everything I could. So, don't mind those fool men that came from the village talking nonsense the other day. However, Kaima is your elder sister. So what Edith said is not bad. Make out time to go and see her.
No, I will not.
Why?
Father never pampered me. Let her rave with her madness. And please, let me be.
Oh, that explains it. It's actually because of the love your late father showered on her. That's your reason, right?
No. Mom, don't you understand?
Understand what?
I don't want to see a mad woman. Simple.
Ejike, that mad woman is your elder sister.
Forget it.
Whatever. I've done my part.
She said her business is not moving fine and that everything Nana had was lost. That was why he died in an accident.
But she's driving cars. Living in their own personal house in the city. Fending very well for her children. Now my own daughter's child is no more Nana's blood. Aria. Rapo. Brother, yes. You shouldn't bother yourself over us anymore. God is watching from above. Don't just allow us to be managing. Allow us to manage ourselves.
She managed to bring 10,000 naira and I collected it. I have tried to call my daughter to know if she will bring something. Because since the church and the hospital could not give us the solution we want, I have to try other means. Yes.
Brother Ebiakwa, you have started again. I've said this over and over. I am following the word of God that says, thou shalt not bow down to carved images. I mean, you should not worship other gods except him. God is a jealous God, as he said, and I want to follow him like that. If you want to go any other place, that you're your own. I come out the choir.
Sister, this Bible you read was written by human beings. And the image you mentioned is in every other places. And they worship those images. So, listen. Not every image is a sin. You are here watching this girl's mental status. And you are now telling me of image. We are Africans. We have our customs and traditions, which is our own ways of life. So, sister, don't worry. I must make a move. Okay, no. This is the 10,000 naira. Hold it.
Thank you, man.
Yes.
Thank you.
So you followed our enemies without asking your conscience anything. Look at me. Whatever palliative umasa. Has hunger killed me? Am I not looking fresh? Oga, Obiadirogema, you are a betrayer, Oga. Ebe Fajuna. Obiadirogema.
Mo Fajuna.
Yes.
So when you were busy supporting Obiora to be following that mad girl and doing romance with her, you didn't know that your jobs were at risk?
Oh, now I understand. So Ndubisi, you're one of those people that has spread news that Obiora has been sleeping with Kaima. Oga, Odiroma. It's not fair. Yes, it's not fair. Odiroma, we're brothers fighting for survival. And you left us to be our enemy. No wahala. It's well. Shebi na you dey collect all the money wey una dey share. Shebi na you dey collect all the money wey una dey share.
Guy, no dey talk to me like that. Mba, no dey talk to me like that. Na my bro Mazi. It's my choice and my life. See, I hate unserious people.
Okay. Okay.
See the way you're talking.
So we are not serious. No, we are not serious now.
Let me tell you. Are you not aware that girl is pregnant? You're not aware.
Come on, shut up. Rumor mongers. How did you know that she's pregnant, and who told you that she's pregnant? And who pregnated her?
Obiora, of course.
Obiora.
That guy. In short, if you're doubting me, go to that mad girl's house. You won't see her there. The grandmother is hiding her.
Okay, listen, Tell whoever that told you that is Adrian Monaco. He's a nonsense man. Huh? Ndobesi. Obiora that went to Lagos since. Obiora did that. Obiora, I don't understand.
Oga, we know
don't touch me.
We know what happened.
Stop touching me, Oga.
Obiora left in Kiru for that mad girl. Now he don't collect woto. Nobody should blame me. Yeah, can't Kogini. Abia mi ichu ego na nwanne. Badukwa anya o. Akwesukwana me faju na o.
Ogebe faju na nga marry gen ticket all the kids sad dog. Come on.
Anyway, akwesukwana no so
don't come close to me, Oga. Do not come close to me. Sad dog. Betray like you.
Abachingen kete.
Nonsense! Get out! I saw. It's Jovia.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ada. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You are welcome.
Yes, ma.
Please, Biko, do I know you?
I'm not sure, but I'm Obiora's younger sister.
Ewo, Obiora?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Obiwa, Mama. No.
Thank you, ma.
I've not seen him for days. I hope he's fine.
Yes, he's fine, just that he traveled. But we'll soon be back. Yes.
Okay.
So he asked me to prepare something for you and Kaima.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, where is Kaima? Though I've not seen her, but my brother has told me a lot about her and her condition. So where is she?
Her troubles are too much now. So I locked her up inside.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can I see her?
Of course you can see her.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Okay, ma.
One more. Why is so good at talking to you? You cook food that brings papa. Thank you.
Obi one name. It's been 2 weeks you left this village for the city. Ogini Nemezi. Obiora, I don't want you to be hiding from those people that supplied you goods before your shop was robbed. Yes. Please come back home, please. I kept my salary for you. And that little piece of land, somebody is already pricing it 400,000 naira. But I asked him to wait for you to return first. Yes. All is well. I have given Kaima's grandmother the rice and the beans as you instructed me to. Eddie is fine. He has been asking after you. That one, I saw her on my way back from school. She was just ranting. I did not answer her. Please, Obiora, please come back home, please. I've missed you so much. Okay. Alright, please take good care of yourself. Bye.
Madam Whoever. Ify.
Yes?
Ify, please come. How are you?
I'm fine, good day.
Good day. Please, I need your brother's number. The one I have is not connecting, please.
But I just spoke with him now. It's connecting. Or maybe it's network. Yeah, maybe.
So, when is he coming back, please?
He said he's going to collect something from his friend, then he will go to the park.
Ifeoma.
Yes?
Please, I want you to talk to your brother. I want you to talk to your brother concerning the reason we both left Lagos.
You see, in life, do you get? Although the park helped me to pay some of my personal bills. If not because of that Obanjin Kiru. But it's fine. Oh yeah.
Eddie, I have never lost hope in life. So please don't. As long as we breathe, as long as we sleep, and as long as we wake up, there's always hope.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, did you cook something, please? I'm very hungry.
Are you sure you actually came here for the number or because of food?
Oh, Ifoma.
I thought as much.
Ifoma Zukwa.
Food.
Please hurry up, please. Huh?
Alright.
Thank you so much. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting here, please. Huh? Get enough chicken, because it's so
chicken. Did you tell me? No. You didn't seek my opinion. You just felt it was right for you to have picked Obiora out of the pit to make him a man. In King, I'm supposed to be your friend. It's unfair.
Nancy, are you the one saying this? Huh? Why are you sounding like an evangelist now? Were you not the one that raised the issue of Obiora and Kaima before? Were you not? Eh? You were the one that kept pushing me. If you don't do something, your man will be taken away from you. If you don't do anything, you will be in water and soap will enter your eye. And then I began to do investigation. I did investigation and found out that he's having a secret romance with that girl and did the needful. So why are you complaining?
Okay, now, as your friend, tell me now. Did I do something bad by calling your attention to something that was happening around you that was not right? Eh? Did I? I knew about your affair with the chairman, but I never mentioned it to Obiora. I didn't tell him anything. But you, the moment you suspected Obiora was having an affair with Kaima, you went ahead to fight. Is that how to do things? Why don't you learn to sit down and reason like the adult that you are? That job you took away from him, please find a way to get it back to him. What you did is not fair.
It is too late. The deed has been done. That Obiora is an idiot. He's a fool. I forewarned him as my boyfriend. I asked him not to see that mad girl again, but no, he dared me. He said I should do whatever it is I want to do, and I did it. Did you not see my clothes that his sister destroyed with oil? Did you not see it? Those people really hurt me. They broke my heart. They made me regret everything I did for them. So I had to retaliate. I went to see the chairman, lied against him, and made sure he collected that pit from him. That is all I wanted. And I made sure my mission was accomplished. So, just forget about everything. If it's that pit, he's not getting it back. And there is no need crying over a spilled milk, my friend.
Thank you. So you felt you have used your power as a woman to have convinced the chairman to take the job away from him. See, Nkiru, as a friend, I beg in the name of God. I am not happy. My mind is not settled. You can be so inconsiderate sometimes. So now where is Obiora?
I don't know where he is. He can go to hell for all I care. Have you not heard?
What?
Have you not heard that that mad girl is pregnant? Yes! Obiora impregnated her. I saw this thing coming. I warned him, I was dragging him. Come out, Potaba. Potaba, he said no, he wants to die there. And now it has happened. So you want me to allow him go back to the pit? No! Thank God I removed him from the pit. Because if I had allowed him stay there, by now, he will be feeding that mad girl and her grandmother with the money he will be realizing from that pit. Opposite no more about last. God forbid. I will never allow that happen. If it's for that pit, he will not get it again. Afelia, bye-bye.
Nkiru, please now. Please. I'm begging you as a friend. I'm not happy. Even God is not happy with you. Eh?
No matter what has happened, please try and be considerate. Just let everything go and get his job back for him. So that God will be happy with you too. Please now. See, remember all the hustles and the fights he had with Okaka. But yet you still went ahead to take the job away from him. Okay, a lot has happened. Why not just let it go, eh? God is not happy with you. Find a way to get his job back for him now. Please, I'm begging you. Nkiru.
Go and date him. Go and look for a job for him.
Are you serious?
Hey! Asi! That is a very big rumor. But you look at the Eddie. Why on earth would you believe in the BC? That we both know is a saboteur. Eh?
Nemo, I'm confused. He said Kaima is pregnant. Why Nkiru is saying that your grandmother wants to use Kaima to have a great-grandchild. Since she's the only surviving soul in that compound. The mother died when she was born. And the father died in an accident. And she got a mental issue. Who knows if it's because of the father's death that made her lose her senses.
Eddie, my own is to wake up in the morning, take my bath, dress up, and go to Philmond primary school. You see this rumor of being pregnant or father's death, I don't know anything about it and I don't even care. But a few days ago, my brother sent me to give them foodstuffs. I actually saw Kaima, but she doesn't look pregnant to me. So just forget about this village rumors. That's all they do. The Obiora, you know, does it look like someone that will have such negative thoughts in his mind? To get Kaima pregnant? What Obiora wants is for that girl to be healed and for her to go back to school. That's all. So forget about this village gossip. Please eat your food. Okay?
Huh.
You see that Ndubisi? He's not a good person. Ndubisi is not a good person at all.
Hey. Again, Ruka. How are you?
Did you actually stop for me or what? Huh? Osipam, how are you? Obiora, that how are you should go to the mad girl you impregnated, not me. You thought you could mess with me, right? No, sweetheart. You chose the wrong person to mess with. I heard you went to Lagos, and from what I'm seeing here, you're just coming back. So, where is the bullion van that's carrying your money? Did you make your millions in Naira, Euro, Pounds?
But now, it will be nice. Irrespective of the fact that you took his job away from him, he still saw you and stopped. Nancy, be considerate of that fact and at least listen to him.
Nancy, if you don't know what to say, you shut up.
Sorry.
What do you think he has to say?
Sorry.
What do you think he has to say? Nothing. He just wants to say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please help me get back the job. I will do whatever it is you ask me to do. It is too late. If you may be a maybe go. I am sure hunger is dealing with you. Nekwa, you couldn't even afford belt. I don't know if you stole your neighbor's clothes or I don't know. Are you sure they are not looking for you? Packaging, forget this thing. Boro make me rich. Don't worry. In your next life, you should learn to respect women and obey some laws. Give a meta, yali meyechi. Packaging.
Wow. You have really said a lot, Nkiru. I actually stopped to say hello and to tell you a few things. First is that we're not quarreling. So I don't know why you're coming after me like this. We're not enemies. Unless you want to be my enemy, that's okay. Secondly, to tell you that I am never going to apologize to you for doing the right thing. If you're waiting for me to apologize to you for helping Kaima, a young innocent girl that needs mental help, if you're waiting for me to apologize to you for helping an old woman that needs help, then you're going to be waiting for a long time. I don't need you to apologize to me. You see, this world is big enough for all of us, and we must at all times learn to do good. Even the late legend Michael Jackson once said in one of his great hits, he said, "Heal the world, make it a better place. For you and for me and for the entire human race, I ask you, Nkiruka, how have you contributed to humanity?" I'm asking you, how have you helped your fellow human being? No. But all you do is talk about me. Why? Hate to admit it as much as you do, but you still miss me. Forget about me. Move on. Stop taking my name everywhere. Everywhere you go, Obiora, Obiora, Obiora. Leave me alone. I have moved on. And my life is much better without you in it. Stop. 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 If you want to say hi, it's okay. You don't want to say hello, that's fine. The world is big enough for all of us. But keep my name out of your mouth.
Did you hear what Obiora said? He said heal the world and make it a better place for you and for me. See, sincerely, I never knew things would turn out to be like this. I only gossiped to you because I saw him and the mental girl together. Please, forgive him and give him back his job.
Bia, Nancy, respect yourself. That you are my friend does not give you the privilege to talk to me anyhow. Do not ever in your life, in your entire existence, give me such advice again. Why would I do it? No, why would I do it? Did you hear him say that he did not stop to say sorry? And that he will never say sorry? That if I am waiting for him to apologize, I will have to wait all my life. Did you not hear that part? Obiora. He still has the mouth to brag. He's an idiot, I know that. Obiora that I know will never make it in this life. He is cursed. He will die a poor man. I know. I am very much okay with Okaka and his boys. After all, they are giving me my own share of the money every week. And that alone, Jumafo, I'm okay. Just don't stress my life, please.
But Nkiru, are you seriously telling me that you're comfortable seeing him suffer and toil like this?
I am filled.
Remember now, this same Obiora forgave you everything you did to him in the past. Please, forgive him now and get the job back for him. Please. I didn't mean it to happen like this.
Sister Nkiru, Obiora has a deep stab at his back when he fought the court boys because of you. He almost died at the hospital. It was Ifeoma, his sister, that donated blood to him. The same Obiora spent 5 days at the police cell when Uncle Jude was dragging our land. He was still at the police cell before our brothers came back and bailed him out. You forget about all these things because you think you know the local government chairman. So if Obiora could fight for you over the land and also fight the court boys,
Why then do you now think he will not fight for Karima, who does not have anybody? Sister Nkiru, Obiora came and paid my hospital bill when I had hepatitis. Upon the peanut he made from the park. You are very wicked, but you are not God.
What are we going to do about money?
About that, I told my sister to sell a little piece of land in the village so that we can raise money for, for whatever the Dibia might need.
Obiora, are you okay? Obiora, don't tell me all these things I've been hearing. Bezoko. We did not see money to eat since Obanje and Kiru chased men out of the field. And you want to use the money? Obiora, are you madly in love with a mad person?
Look, you are missing the point.